Hey y'all, don't tell nobody I told you this. It's Rodney's birthday today. So y'all go into the comments there and say happy birthday to Rodney. But for his birthday, I'm making him a special treat, ladies and gentlemen. I'm making him air fryer fried mushrooms, but with a little bit of a twist. Instead of any kind of like flour or any type of like that seasoned flour and such that you ordinarily would put on those things, I'm using ground up spiced plantain chips. Whoo, gonna be hardly fit to eat. But listen, I meant what I said. Make sure you go down in the comments there and wish Rodney a happy birthday. Rodney, don't come in here, don't come in. Before we go any further, I'd like to remind you guys, please don't forget to mash that subscribe button, give me a big old thumbs up, maybe even leave me a comment or two. I sure would appreciate it. For this year's recipe, what you're going to need is 3 beaten eggs, a packet of cleaned mushrooms cut in half, some cassava flour, and the coating is something special, as I alluded to in the intro. These are made from Trader Joe's fried plantain chips, but they're the jerk season flavor. So you can use any kind of plantain chip you want, but if you get a seasoned one, you won't have to put any seasoning in. Otherwise, put in some salt and pepper or one of your favorite barbecue rubs or whatnot. You can get these, they're very affordable. You can get these at Trader Joe's, and sometimes you can find them on Amazon. We're going to start this by lining the bottom of the air fryer basket with some parchment paper. And then we're going to beat 3 eggs like they owe us money. Ha! Ain't that right, Rodney? Say, that reminds me. If y'all are looking for a way to support this channel, keep this here train rolling full of farm fresh content twice a week, why don't you slide over to my Teespring shop, get yourself a coffee mug or maybe even a t-shirt. But if you don't want to do that, how about you go to buymeacoffee.com, and for the price of a cup of coffee, you help keep this train a-rolling. You can also visit boondockerswelcome.com. All of the links are in the description. Thanks a bunch. Now you're going to need some flour, about 3/4 of a cup. I'm using cassava because it's good for my diabetes, but you can use whatever you like. And these are those plantain chips that Mrs. Eatin Good in the Woods was kind enough to grind up for me. Now we're going to cut these mushrooms in half because they was rather large. And then it's down to a simple process of roll it in the flour, make sure the egg covers everything up, no dry spots, and then coat them with the ground up plantain chips. And just repeat this process until you've filled your fryer basket. Then you're going to spray the tops of them with some Pam or some other sort of spray oil. That way they'll get nice and crunchy. You're going to put them in for a total of 10 minutes, but the first round is only going to be 5 minutes because we're going to check them halfway through. Take a look at them and give them a little poke and see if they need longer. In my case, they did. So I put them in for another 5 minutes, checked them about halfway through, and I let it go the last little bit of that time. Now I want you to look at that right there. Them are done. D-U-N, done. Now listen, folks, y'all might want to put some, I don't know, some ranch sauce on the side there or something of that nature. I'm using a little of this here sriracha mayonnaise. Whoo! Gonna be hardly fit to eat. I guess the only thing we got left to do is give it a try. And here it goes. Y'all, she walks these streets with a long black veil. I want to tell you, them are delicious. The plantains get nice and crunchy from the natural oils that come in the back. Oh my good golly. Rodney, I can't wait for you to try these for your birthday. Happy birthday, old buddy. Well, listen, until next time, I hope y'all go out there and be nice to one another. I sure love y'all. God bless. See you next time. Bye-bye.